So I use Cokin filters and I use a system for my Fujifilm cameras. So I've got GFX and X-T2, but this system allows me to use my filters on any of my cameras. So I'm going to show you around how it works, literally. So filters basically allow you to slow the shutter speed down. So I do a lot of slow water photography, so I will want to get that shutter speed slower, and it can be a brighter day. It's fairly bright today, as you can see. So we need to effectively put something in front of the filter to slow, to allow us to keep that shutter speed down. And to do that, we need filters. So you can either use screw-in filters, which literally screw in on the end of your lens, or you can use a system like I use. And that is, you'll get better quality out of the system, but also the filters will adapt to any size lens that you have. So you can have a wider lens, a different thread size. This is an 82 thread size. I also have a 77 thread size, and you simply buy an adapter for different sizes. So you essentially have the one piece of glass that you can use on all your lenses, which is very helpful. Now this Cokin system actually comes with a really nice bag, and on the front it's got a table so you can see what your exposures are, but I'll show you that a little bit more later. I have in here a few filters that I use regularly. I'll just take my gloves off. It's rather cold today, so I wanted to keep them on as long as possible. I have a 10 stop filter. Now you would use that if you want to slow the shutter speed really, really slow, so you'll get a really smooth effect. The water will actually almost disappear and you'll just get a really, really, really smooth water. I have a 6 stop ND, that's a Nuance Extreme 6 stop, and this is the one that I use most of the time. This will slow the shutter speed just slightly, but you won't have an extremely long shutter speed with this one. So I tend to use that to still have some movement in the water. And I also have a grad. So this is a soft grad. You can see there that it's the top half is darker, and it fades gently and slowly towards the bottom half where there's no filter attached. So you will get the sky, it'll enable you to get the sky darker. And the great thing about this system is that you can pop 2 filters on at the same time, so you can use 2. So I tend to carry a little bag like this with me, and it's just a little soft bag with all the bits and bobs that we can easily get to. So these, first of all, we have the adaptering. So I'm just going to show you how you actually put these filters on. We've got the adaptering. This is an 82mm adaptering. My lens is an 82 filter thread, so we'll just pop that on first of all, and that just screws onto the end there, like that, end. Okay. And then the actual holder. And the holder will literally just pop in there, and it clips on with the Cokin ones. It kind of clips into place itself. So that's that section, and then you're ready to pop your filters in. So I get my 6 stop out. The 6 stop simply slots it in. Oh. Okay, and so if you wanted, say you wanted the 6 stop, but you also wanted a grad for the sky to hold the sky back a little bit, you just pop that in over it. So you've got 2 in 1 there. You can see how that would work. Okay, so I'll do a little demo. I will be shooting some of this icy water behind me. I will just use the 6 stop because I won't need the grad because I'm zooming in. I'm using a zoom lens here, and I'll show you the results as we capture them.